Bulletproof your knees by strengthening the muscles supporting them. If you've been sedentary for a long time, it's very possible that you have weak muscles in your legs. This is a red flag for your knee joints. The less muscle that you have in your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads, your calves, and your tibialis anterior, the less protection you have between your knee joints, resulting in pain when doing high impact moves like jumping or running, and over time even low impact moves like walking can become difficult. So let's strengthen those muscles supporting your knees. I'm showing some gentle moves in this routine. If you have healthy knee joints, you can do squats and lunges and typical leg strengthening exercises. Just make sure that your technique is perfect and you're not adding more weight than you should. If you already have fragile knees, try this routine. It's very gentle, but it will help get your knees back to functioning for everyday life. Include these exercises in your workout plan. You might not be able to do everything, just do what you can. I hope this helps.